There has been a lot of panic in the software engineering world in regards to AI taking our jobs. But I mean, just look at this. Look at this. I'm creating this application using Replit AI to be able to post to let the users post on multiple platforms at once. So they can post it on X, YouTube, Facebook, etc. on multiple platforms. They don't have to go into each single platform and then post it, right? And at first, it did a really marvelous job. It created this entire application from scratch. Like you can see, we have a dashboard over here, and the UI looks really, really good. We have create post, we have scheduling post, we have analytics, we have settings, and we can also connect the platforms, etc. The thing that it did not implement is that the actual backbone of the application, which is like to be able to post on multiple platforms. So I went in and I asked it to hey, let's start with Twitter first. Let's have Twitter connection, and let's be able to post on Twitter. And again, it did a good job. We can now connect to the application using Twitter, and we can connect our X account. But when I try to create a post, it just does not get sent to Twitter, right? And I tried to debug this issue. This is the 10th or 11th time I'm asking AI to, there is this issue. I can't post to Twitter. I can't post to Twitter. Just make it work. It's not working, and it just keeps on doing round trips, and it tells you it has been fixed. It has added some logging, debugging, but it's just not fixing the issue. And look at this. Like the last time I asked it to you know we still have an issue, right? What did it do? It said, okay, I've temporarily replaced the Twitter posting code with a mock implementation. So it now avoided implementing the actual logic, and it instead used the mock implementation. And then it also said the mock will generate a random tweet ID to simulate successful posting. This allows you to test the full application flow without errors. We have kept the original code commented out for future debugging. I mean, and it's saying in the future we'll need to debug the actual Twitter API connection for real posting. And this is after 11th time asking it to debug the issue. And still I tried posting it again, and even with the mock, it's not working. It's just not working. So look, here's the thing, right? Those who are actually pushing that AI is going to take our jobs are the business owners. Those who are implementing AI are the ones that are pushing this kind of mindset. Why they are doing it? For their own business and personal reasons. But the software engineers who are actually using AI in their daily workflow, they know that AI is not there yet. And I don't think it will ever reach a point where it will be so perfect that you tell it, hey, give me this application, and boom, it's going to give you the entire thing. That's not going to happen. Instead, what I see is that AI is really, really good. It really improves our workflow. It really boosts us as developers. And yes, there might be a market cut on the job market possible, but it's not going to replace us. It's not going to replace engineers completely, 100%. No, there will always be a need for engineers. Engineers are the ones like they need to go and debug the issue. Right now, I will need to download this repository and have a look myself. I might also use other AI tools and see if the issue is fixed. Or I might also go to other different AI platforms and tell them to generate specific codes and then copy and paste that code in here. So I still need to know the logic, how it's working, and I still need to know what I need to copy, what I need to paste, and I still need to make the application work. Without the engineers, there ain't no way that the AI is going to replace engineers. Don't freak out, right? Continue your software engineering journey, continue learning about development, and even if like let's say AI is near perfect, like 80%, it's perfect. Look what has happened with the no code platforms. No code platforms came in and they were supposed to replace code, but they haven't. And they are doing a great job by themselves. Like if you want to build an e-commerce website, it's everything is there, it's nice, it's cozy and warm, but it does not do a real engineering job, right? It does most of the things, but still, like if you want to build a real application for a real world use case, a really good application like Amazon Marketplace or Alibaba or some like really high standard application, you still need code. And even if like we have the no code platforms, people, the business people are not using themselves directly, right? They're still in need of someone to help them to put together a website using that no code tool. There's still a need because if I have the money, right, and I have the work, my own work of maintaining a business, why would I waste my other time learning a no code platform and then building, the website myself, which might not be perfect? I'd rather hand it to someone to do it for me. So even if AI is perfect and we need only one engineer to do the job, but we still be needing engineers. This is not the end. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share for more. Until next time, see ya.